Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front anti-roll bar, front wheel independent suspension, overhead console, front center armrest with storage, tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, and occupant sensing airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.